Good morning, Anu. Today we will learn about prepositions. Do you know what a preposition is? Good morning, ma'am. I have heard of it, but I am not exactly sure. No problem. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. For example, in the sentence, the book is on the table. The word on is a preposition. Oh, I see. So it tells us where something is. Exactly. That's one type of preposition. Preposition of place. There are other kinds too. Let me explain them. Yes, please explain, ma'am. First, we have preposition of time like at, on, and in. For example, I will meet you at 5 p.m. or my birthday is in July. Okay, so in July shows time. Right. Then we have preposition of place and direction, such as under, over, in front of, behind, to, into, etc. For example, she went into the room. That makes sense. What is the next? We also have preposition of cause, reason, or purpose, like because of, due to. For example, the match was cancelled due to rain. Oh, I did not know. Those are also prepositions. Yes. Lastly, there are preposition of manner, instrument, or agency, like by, with, like. For example, he wrote a letter with a pen. This is very helpful. Now I can identify different type of preposition. Ma'am, are there any other type of prepositions? Yes, there are a few more. Let me tell you about preposition of direction or movement. These shows movement from one place to another. For example, he walked towards the park. He jumped into the pool. Oh, so word like, into, and onto shows movement. Exactly. Then we have preposition of measure, standard, or rate. For example, he was driving at 60 km per hour. This cloth is sold by meter. That's interesting. I did not know. Those are also prepositions. Many students don't know. Another group of preposition of concession like despite, in spite of. For example, despite the rain, they went for a picnic. Next, in spite of being tired, she finished her work. Those are a bit tricky. That's normal. With practice, you will get used to them. Do you want to try making a few sentences? Sure. The cat is under the table. Good. That's a preposition of place. Try one with time. My exam is on Monday. Excellent. One more with direction. She ran into the house. Well done. You are improving already. Thank you, ma'am. This conversation really helped me understanding prepositions better. You are welcome. Keep practicing and you will be a grammar expert in no time.